Welcome back to Tech with Adil everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be installing LED fog lights to my 2014 Honda CRV EX, which didn't actually come with them from factory. The kit came with the fog light housing and wires, but I actually cut the adapter off, which would give it a separate switch, and instead I'm just going to wire it straight to the headlights, because it's 10 times easier and I don't plan to ever not use the fog lights. So the first step is to remove the front bumper. On this car, the front bumper is actually two pieces, an upper fascia bumper and lower bumper. For the fog light install, when you don't have them from factory, you actually need a different lower bumper, which I got from Rock Auto for like 50 bucks. So remove the front bumper by first removing the clips on the bottom, which are 3 in the middle and 1 on either side. The bolt on each side for me was actually too rusted, so it didn't even come out. I'll explain a little bit more on that later. Next, remove the fender guard clips. Just do the ones closer to the front and the one in the middle. Then just pull the guard away from the car and it pops right off. The front bumper should be exposed from the side now, and there is a Phillips screw to be removed here. Next, open the hood and remove the clips holding the front bumper's grille. There is 4 clips here. Then there is 4 clips behind the grille which need to be undone as well. These are kind of hard to remove since you can't see them, so take your time. The yellow clips here are the ones that are behind the grille, and this is what the car looks like without the bumper attached. The bolts at the bottom are still stuck, so I just cut around it because I'm using a new lower bumper anyways, so it doesn't even matter. So after cutting, it looks like this, pretty much unaffected. Now let's connect the front upper bumper with the new lower bumper. You can see the fog light holes here, and it just connects with a few clips. Now screw on the fog light housing to the new lower bumper. I noticed that there wasn't enough screws and some holes didn't line up properly, so I just screwed what I could and zip tied the rest. Now run the wires along the bumper and zip tie them to various areas so they don't move around while you drive. I am running the wires up to the driver's side headlight, where I'll splice it and solder it directly to the headlight power cable. It's just 12 volts, and since the LEDs on the headlight and fog lights use less energy than the original halogens combined, we should be totally okay with the current. The black wire connects to the black wire and the white wire connects to the red wire. Here is how it looks with it done. That's the end of this video, everyone. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for the CRV, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.